Hello everyone, welcome back to all of you in my YouTube channel Sandhya Ki Classes, and my name is Sandhya. And friends, if you are new over here, so please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, because in this video I will tell you everything about my English learning journey. So when I started my English journey, it was not easy for me because I could understand everything, but I was not able to speak properly. So firstly I decided that uh, firstly I have to learn this language. After that I will express myself speaking, but it was not easy. Why why it was not easy for me? Because I was not able to speak that time. So which kind of step I followed? In this video I will tell you everything about my journey. Okay friend, but first of all I would like to say that when I started my journey, if I talk about my learning journey, so my English learning journey has been full of challenges and growth. I learned something new when I made mistake. I used to practice every day. I used to listen. I used to listen some conversation video on the YouTube channel. Apart from this, I always used to try to communicate with native speaker, because when we communicate with native speaker, we learn lot of things. But after practicing, now I am able to speak. I learned so many things. So now I am able to speak. Now I can express my self speaking. I can express my thought. Now it is easy for me. But that time it was not easy for me. So as I told you which kind of step I follow, so I will share with you everything. So I learn what is the important of grammar. I learned what is the important of modals and advanced structure, and what is the important of listening and reading and writing. I faced a lot of problem, lot of challenges. It was not easy for me that time when I started this language. But I wanted to become a good speaker. That's why I decided, no, I have to learn this language because I want to become a good speaker. I wanted to open more opportunity in my life. So that's why I decided I have to learn this language, and I will do hard work. And I started hard work. But which type of hard work I did? So friends, let me know which type of hard work I did. I always record, I always used to record myself speaking, and I always used to practice every day. I started my English journey with basic rules and grammars. Rules and grammar and vocabulary. I learned so many vocabulary, and I always used to practice every day. I used to practice, and now I am here. Now I can express my thought, everything I can express. And in future, in future, I will do some better. I trust. Definitely, I will do some better. And you can see uh, it's getting dark, but I am making video and this time on this time because I wanted to become a good. I want to become a good speaker. So I am making video. Okay, friends. So I learned so many things. I made mistake, but my mistake taught me something new. Okay, friends. So it was my English learning journey. Okay, friends. If you like my video, then please like, subscribe, and share.